The HITBOX MIG Welder 200A is a versatile machine that combines multiple welding functions, including gas and gasless MIG, high-frequency TIG, stick welding, and a plasma cutter, making it a comprehensive tool for various tasks. Equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder offers powerful cutting performance with an ideal clean cut of up to 5 mm and a maximum cutoff of 15 mm. It safely and efficiently cuts through materials such as stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum using compressed air, minimizing hazards associated with traditional cutting methods. The intelligent synergic control feature allows for automatic adjustments of voltage and wire feeding speed based on amperage, wire thickness, and gas material, providing ease of use and precision. Safety is prioritized with built-in protection features like VRD, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheat functions, ensuring the internal circuit is well protected from damage. Designed for reliability, this welder is an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists who need a dependable multi-process welding solution with a large LED display for easy monitoring.